Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove yourself from the network list on Windows 7. For example, if you click on your Windows Explorer and click on Network, as you can see Lab PC is the one I'm using right now. You can remove that using the little tweak I'll give you right now. So if you go to your Start menu and type services.msc and open the program, you'll be presented with this window. Now if you scroll down to Function Discovery, Resource Publication, you can see on the left there, it says publishes this computer and resources attached to this computer so they can be discovered over the network. If this service is stopped, network resources will no longer be published and they will not be discovered by other computers on the network. So that's what you want. So you right click on it and go to Properties. You want to check the startup type, set disabled, apply it, and you want to stop the service. So when it's stopped, you can close, click OK, close the program and restart your computer, and you'll no longer be shown on other people's network lists. Thanks for watching this video. See you later.